So, you want to be a business analyst, but do you know what they actually do? Unlike accounting or marketing, business analyst roles vary widely across companies. Let's explore why. A business analyst, or BA, acts as a bridge between business stakeholders and solution providers. They ensure business goals are understood and met, often translating complex requirements into actionable solutions. A good BA possesses a diverse skill set, including problem identification, process improvement, and risk management. They analyze proposed solutions, pinpoint risks, and ensure compliance with regulations, adapting to the project's context. Consider an e-commerce company aiming to improve marketing efforts. The BA connects marketing and IT teams to develop a report on customer behavior. Or in retail, a BA might streamline order processes, boosting efficiency and accuracy. Different industries demand unique BA focuses. In finance, the role differs from pharmaceuticals. Larger organizations require a global perspective, while smaller ones need localized insights. Evolving technologies and market shifts keep BAs on their toes, making the role dynamic and exciting.